Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Render. A full update on that. We'll take a look at the technicals, we'll talk briefly about the fundamentals I guess, but I think the technicals are more important and also more interesting in this case. There are some opportunities I think to actually have some nice trades as well on Render. So we'll just do a full update in this video. So yeah, without further ado, if you actually want to, before we dive into Render, if you want to receive daily trading signals and also right now a trading guide, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Trading guide was released since yesterday. I think it adds a lot of value, so if you want to check that out, then like I said, links are in the description and the pinned comment. But now onto Render. So Render has actually been fairly, I would say fairly interesting. It has overall, I would argue the market structure right now is still bearish, right? I mean, if you zoom out, you can still clearly see that we are in some sort of a downtrend. We've never been able to break above the 382 FIB, for example, so that already says quite a lot. I mean, we've never just been able to get some sort of bullish momentum that is really significant. Then what is true is that we, after the bullish momentum from Friday, we did get some sort of bullish confirmation by breaking above 1.9 and 1.95 again, which is true. And right now you can also see that the ADX is kind of dropping down. Volume is probably dropping down as well, I assume. So the thing is that it seems quite likely that we are, and right now I guess you could technically already say that we are in some sort of a consolidation, right? So in this little area right here, we are consolidating. Beautiful little round. And that's true, but overall, like I said, I think the general direction, first of all, is down. Bitcoin got quite a lot of bullish momentum, and I don't think Render is following that bullish momentum that much. And apart from that, we also, apart from the trend still being bearish in my eyes, I also think that there's still so much resistance, which is going to be very, very tough to break above. Like this level between 2.15 and arguably all the way up to 2.25 is just filled with resistance from the 382 to the 0.5 FIB, and then it's a normal resistance level, and we got that 200 EMA there. So overall, even though we are consolidating a bit because there wasn't too much movement in the markets, and we also got some quite a lot of bullish momentum in a bearish, or bullish momentum coming from the markets for a crypto that was overall bearish. So sometimes you get something like this, but overall, like I said, I think this consolidation can hold up. We now found resistance at the 100 EMA, which by the way also is still a bit of bearish confirmation that we are respecting that. But I do think this level around 1.9, 1.95 will hold for at least one more time. I just think that at some point of time, when the bearish momentum kicks in, we'll still get a bearish breakout through this consolidation, and we'll move down to these levels right here around 1.65 and 1.6. That's still what I expect. We could still be in that consolidation for like a week. That's a possibility. To be fair, I expect a bit of bearish momentum around like Friday or something. So until that time, like I said, there's probably still opportunities, perhaps even to set up some sort of a grid trading bot in this area between 1.9 and 2.1 or some. That's a possibility, but overall, I don't expect any bullish momentum. Like I said, I think Bitcoin can actually be a bit more bullish, but that also has its limits. And then for Render, it's going to be tough either way because we are, I think, technically, but also fundamentally bearish at this point in time. So that's my take on Render for now. If you do have any questions, then as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.